Hi, I'm Scott with MarineMax in Greenville. I'm going to be doing a walkthrough of our 2019 Mastercraft X24. Starting here at the back of the boat, you can see the boat has the teak swim deck. Underneath here, we have underwater lights. On this particular boat, they're red. We have the Gen 2 surf system. This boat has 4,300 pounds of ballast, makes an amazing surf wake. It sits on a black with red fendered dual axle trailer. Doing a little overview here, the outside of the boat, all black hull, black deck with the red Mastercraft logo. Alrighty, moving up into the boat, starting on the back here, we have a rear-facing transom seat with the seat backrest up. Then over here we have the rear transom seat with the backrest down. It does have a ski pole pylon. And moving into the boat, you can see it does have the sun pad that easily, as I move across, can be folded up into a rear-facing seat, or with a little bit of ease, flipped, and it is now the front-facing seat. This boat also is equipped with the Ilmore 6.2 liter 430 horsepower engine. Plenty of power for you and your family for some wonderful water sports. Moving along here on the port side, there is a rear-facing flip-up seat that also can flip down into a bench seat. You have the rear-facing seat here, and then underneath is the batteries and plenty of storage for boards and wakeboards. Got your glove box here with a cup holder next to it. Moving across on the starboard side, once again also you have the flip-up rear-facing seat that also flips down into a nice long bench seat. Moving over to the captain's chair area, you have the dual screen, nice cup holder down there and phone holder, and the throttle there. This boat is equipped with the dual screen premium audio. That's the Klish speakers. So that is 6 speakers, 2 subwoofers, and 2 tower speakers. And speaking of the tower, this boat is equipped with the Z4 rear folding down tower, wakeboard and wake surf clamping racks. There's 2 Klish speakers, rear facing camera, and the GoPro mount. Also, the surf pockets on the bimini. Moving back into the boat, it has a port side trash can, which is very cool. Air dam door that shuts across here like so. There is your battery maintenance right there, very easy access. Turn the battery on and off. Your other subwoofer. Moving up to the bow, this boat has 2 fold down armrests, 2 more Klish bow speakers, 4 cup holders, and it also comes with the cool feel material and the red and black with the red stitching. That completes my walkthrough of the 2019 Mastercraft X24. If you have any questions, please call MarineMax in Greenville and set up to see the boat or a demo out on the water. Thank you.